Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Chennai Cook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fluffy layer chapati. For this, I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste and 1.5 cup of water. I'm transferring the wheat flour into a basin, adding salt, mixing it up, adding 3 tablespoons of oil and adding water little by little to make it into a soft dough. I'm letting the dough sit for 15 minutes. I'm making a dough ball, flattening it and dusting it with wheat flour. I'm rolling it into a circle and applying some oil on the lower semicircle of the chapati. I'm folding it into half and then into a quarter, dusting it again with flour and then rolling it into a square. Make sure that the chapati is rolled into a thin layer. Heat a pan and place the chapati on it. You need to cook the chapati for 5 seconds on each side. Initially, we don't apply oil. We have to allow the chapati to cook for 5 seconds on each side. Flip it over and allow the air pockets to bubble. Apply some oil now and flip it over. You can see that the chapati is rising up. Flatten out the edges so that they cook evenly. Cook for some more time. And then your chapati is ready to serve. You can see that the chapati has 3 layers. If you like this recipe, share this with your friends, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.